Oh, not this again. Yeah, 177 again. As soon as you get onto the highway at the 177, she's dinked.
Silly day again.
Yeah. She's dinked and rutty, boys.
Again.
With a load of scrap metal on. Son of a bitch.
Keep an eye there. Rumor is there's somebody jackknife. He's trying to straighten it out, but it sounds like everybody stopped there.
Great.
Oh, they got a jackknife rig on the 907. I guess.
Yeah, eastbound. Hell, you're gonna be there this very soon. 177. Break out the suntan lotion.
Yeah.
Good deal, good deal. Something to look forward to. The snow stopped blowing there on the other side of West Bourne, but the roads are still shitty.
Oh, she's a parking lot on the 907, driver. Do you apologize? I don't even know if I'm getting out. I think my antenna fell off. Hey, there, driver. Anybody got a radio check on the 907 here? Come on back. Yeah, see my little arrow is hardly moving.
Try not mumbling or talk with your lip trap down the mic. Maybe somebody can understand you.
I apologize, driver. I adjusted my antenna the other day. I'm not, the arrow ain't moving and the light ain't flashing. Apologize. I think my radio's dinked.
It doesn't matter, driver. You still have to, talk.
Oh, you want me to use proper English words, driver? Is that what you're trying to say, over?
Along that line, yeah.
I apologize, Holy, I'm going 0 kilometers an hour on the 907. What in f***'s name is going on?
Just keep smoking that shit.
Oh, you on the Jasmine, driver? Hey, driver, you chooching on the Jasmine stovepipe there? Come on back.
Alright, I'm gonna take a walk up there, see what's going on.
Maybe we should, I don't know.
I think you just said it's blocked off again.
Should we try to make them? I mean, there's a whole lane open here.
Jackknife.
Oh, he's not out of the ditch yet, driver? Son of a...
Appreciate that.
Hey, it looks like we're creeping ahead of here.
Yeah, westbound, baby. We're rolling again. Appreciate that, buddy.
Oh,
Oh,
we're going.
oh, no way, I'm going half a kilometer an hour, boys. Look out, here I come. I gotta get into the...
Hey, boys, look good. Going east there, and you'll be out of this white stuff here shortly in a few minutes. Roll down there again.
You gotta get some jackknife tractor trailer footage, buddy.
Boys, as I said, yeah, another 5 minutes there up the road. She's wide open, dry road, sunshine.
Oh, Andy Moore.
Nowhere to wait.
Oh, no.
Oh, apologize. Okay.
Friggin' sons of bitches we won't even mention.
They should think about staying on their own side of the road, too. I don't know what's up with putting the tires over the white line. That's just silly.
That sounds good, driver.
Like, I'll smash right into you, man. You come on my side of the road. I don't give a shit. Look at this asshole. You see what I mean?
Right on.
Eastbound, you got a copy? Yeah. Now they got jackknife up here west. Jackknife where? No, I was saying there's a jackknife truck that's westbound, is that right? I haven't seen it yet. Alright, how long does this continue to the west? No, we follow along there now, so it's okay.
Driver, that one, they're talking about jackknife west. You got her straightened out there.
Did you have snow all the way to town or something?
It's probably him here.
He got her own straight road. Got it. He was literally bent up here in the 2-lane up here in the road. Yeah. He got right into it.
Oh, shit. This guy's chooching. He's got the old chooch switch, eh? He's got himself a chooch switch, so I can't pass him. How the hell are you chooching so hard? What?
He's chooching.
Oh, come on, we can't be going 40 kilometers an hour on the 907, buddy. Get the fuck out of the way, you son of a bitch. Man.
You the son of a bitch? Are you the son of a bitch?
Guy in a white out driving without head, right?
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Not too bad.
Oh, what's going on up here?
I'm going the other way. There's a distillery, fucking tanker, liquid tanker there.
This bud, stay on your side of the road, you son of a bitch.
Parking lights.
Idiots.
What the heck is going on here? Looks like we got ourselves a convoy.
Yeah. It's like a windbreak for me. What is this, one lane Wednesday? Pretty sure it's Tuesday, but apologize.
They're talking about it clearing up on the other side of West Florida driver, so we got about another 20K or so. Alright, thank you. Westbound Amber Lane, here comes the pickup in the wagon. He's gonna show us how it's all done.
That's right. That's right.
That's right, boys. I got other shit I gotta do today. I can't be going fucking 20 kilometers an hour on the 907. I apologize. Just keep an eye for me. Here I fucking come.
What's a 907?
Well, that's what I call the 401, darling.
He's out on track and smoking cocaine.
No, I'm on the Jasmine, driver. Get it right. I'm on the Jasmine, copy. Do you apologize?
Oh, look at this car. Back over on your own side, bud. Yeah, there you go.
We got to pick up Hammer Lane on westbound there, driver. Keep an eye.
Just show us how to do that.
Well, like, come on. Oh, I'm in a big rush, driver. We got a bunch of aluminum pop cans in the back there. Big time there. Gonna big multi-cent scrap metal operation we got going down in Rutney there, driver. Copy.
Oh, this guy's dinking us. Oh, rapid. Are you kidding?
Oh, rapid. Come on, you son of a bitch. Everything was going so good until you blocked the Hammer Lane, you bastard.
Eastbound, he'll be out of this here shortly.
Yeah, you can go up and close the road for us, okay?
70, 172, break out the sundown lotion.
Break out the sundown lotion. Holy shit. Come on.
Everything was going so good.
Yeah, everything was just fantastic. We were Hammer Lane big time, scrap metal load. Everybody was talking about the pickup truck, showing us how it's done. Friggin' now we got friggin' Hammer Lane Harry over here just blocking her off.
This guy's not even going to go back over either. There's nowhere he can go. Stink.
I'm just going to get there.
We can't.
Well, yeah, but we were hoping to get there today, driver.
Ain't going nowhere.
Oh my goodness.
No, we're going to Rutney, bud. We're going somewhere.
I see this truck, we got a 4-wheeler coming up here with no lights on.
Oh, this is just ridiculous. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, you and you, get over into that lane.
Hammer down into the slow lane, you goof. I'm about 3 seconds away from taking the ditch, man. I'm not even kidding. Like, at least 2 or 3 of these people that were trapped on the 907 with must have somewhere else they'd rather be, right? At least 2 or 3 of them. They got somewhere else they're planning on being today. Obviously, they must be going somewhere, right?
Looks like we're gonna go here.
You don't say.
Stop.
Yeah. I bet you it's one stupid goof out the front.
Yeah.
Driving a Dodge, too scared.
I don't think he's broke down. It looks like he's parked in a ditch.
decent run there.
Maybe you did it on purpose, who knows? You know, so they can wait on, only have to have one, they put it in the middle so they can get on the hammer lane. Well, looks like he had a soft landing anyway. I don't think he felt the thing. He stopped before he hit the bridge, right? Hey, he's found. Oh, what's he doing over there? He probably shit himself, too. I think I'd probably be pretty close to it myself.
So the exit we get on is where the blizzard starts, and then when we get to Rutney, she's dinked over big time because the tractor trailer's gone. Oh, there's cars, there's four-wheelers off to the side and everything.
No, they need to get out there in front of us.
Showing on top of the bridge.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
a little toppy.
Okay.
Neil on the speed bump lost control of the steering wheel.
Oh, you're not going to want to get on the 907, buddy.
Down a little bit.
She's dinked.
I don't know. Big slow down, have a look at the Peterbilt and the ditch up there.
There's a car in the ditch. Right there.
Remember that truck stop is up there, just when you pass the Chatham scale, just before you get to the Chatham scale.
She is just dinked. There must have been a bit of a touching war going on the 907 a little bit with a couple of four-wheelers and a big rig. Oh, crap.
Big old train or whatever y'all got going on.
Look at that. That's a fresh one there. This one just went snow plowing. Holy shit, that's deep snow. Yikes. Oh, crap. Well, there's the minivan that was dinked, and there's the truck. They're not going to pull anything out of the ditch until the weather clears.
I think my ball joints are going to come apart.
Oh, yeah, she's a bumpy road. Like, this is ridiculous.
Dude, I think we're fucking free.
Gotta drive in the ditch here. Holy shit, the ball joints are gonna come flying out of Big Dirty any minute.
Oh, there must be a
Fucking highway's ridiculous. Where's the fucking bylaw guy?
It sounds like Crazy Logie to me, that son of a bitch. Holy
there must be
shit.
hundreds of Dodges up here in the ditch.
Yeah, there must be thousands even of Dodges. Well, somebody got off the track a little bit. Apologize.
Where's all those